Mass timber buildings often face skepticism regarding their durability and maintenance needs. Many of these doubts are based on outdated assumptions rather than facts. So let's examine and dispel some of these common myths. A frequent concern is that mass timber buildings have a short lifespan. This misconception arises from the belief that wood-based structures are inherently less durable than steel or concrete structures. In reality, when properly designed, constructed and maintained, mass timber structures can last for an incredibly long time. Historical timber structures that have endured for centuries demonstrate the material's longevity and durability, proving that mass timber is not a short-term solution but a long-lasting investment. Another myth suggests that mass timber structures require more maintenance than other construction types. This belief is also incorrect, as properly designed and maintained timber structures are highly resilient and demand little attention over their lifetime. Advances in construction techniques and protective finishes help ensure that mass timber remains resistant to wear and environmental factors, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. There is also a misconception that mass timber buildings come with higher maintenance costs. Mass timber structures are of course designed to be durable and reliable, meaning they require fewer repairs or replacements compared to less robust materials. Furthermore, the energy efficiency of mass timber buildings can lead to significant cost savings over time, offsetting any minor maintenance expenses and reinforcing the material's economic viability. A common worry is that mass timber buildings are prone to pest infestations such as termites. This fear is largely unfounded in modern construction. Proper design, construction and maintenance, along with possible treatments applied to the engineered timber products, significantly reduce the risk of pests. As a result, mass timber buildings can remain safe and pest-free throughout their lifespan. Finally, some argue that mass timber buildings are more likely to suffer from leaking and rotting, especially in wet environments. This concern doesn't account for advancements in material science and building practices. Properly designed mass timber buildings are highly resistant to moisture and decay. Protective finishes and careful detailing ensure these structures are well prepared to handle environmental challenges. In conclusion, the durability of mass timber structures is often underestimated due to persistent myths. Modern design and construction practices have addressed many of the traditional concerns associated with wood-based structures, making mass timber a reliable, durable, and even low-maintenance option for sustainable construction. If you want to learn more about the world of mass timber, subscribe to this channel. Go take a look on the TimberTalk Patreon page, since we now have a new mind map for the myths and misconceptions surrounding mass timber.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.